Meet Riley Form Maker, your all-in-one personal database and digital organizer. Design surveys and custom forms that users can fill right on your device. Customizing is effortless. Add input fields, paragraph fields, and precise date and time selectors with just a few clicks. Build professional drop-down menus and multiple selection lists to capture exactly the information you need. You can even customize each element to make it mandatory or move items to fit your workflow. Create a clean, beautiful, and intuitive experience for every user, every time. From customer lists and restaurant surveys to real estate registrations, you can capture, save, and organize your data instantly. Manage complex tasks like a food diary with integrated photo selectors for a complete visual record. Create an unlimited number of forms using powerful elements like toggle switches and custom labels. Riley Form Maker, data management simplified.